Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a merge game in Scratch. Now, I've never seen a merge game in Scratch, never, or a tutorial on YouTube, so I think this is the first. So when you create a new project, it'll be called Untitled, so just name it whatever you want for your merge game. I'm just going to call it Merge Gardens. Be merging garden theme things. I'm just going to show you the basic code here. So we're going to first want to duplicate sprite 1 here that you have, sprite 2, sprite 3, and then let's separate them. I'm just going to show you the basic code first though, and then we can get on to designing our own things and uploading things. So we got them. We're going to, we're going to go, when the flag is clicked, should be a wait until one. Yep, wait until. Get 2 wait untils and get touchings, but don't do touching mouse pointer. Do sprite 2 and sprite 3, the opposite ones. And then once that's done, actually we're gonna need a show here, show. Hide. Next costume. Wait, no. I'm gonna get rid of hide. So just leave hide there for a moment. Next costume. And then we'll, we're gonna bring this down into sprite 2. Let's clean up the blocks. And then we're gonna instead change sprite 2 to sprite 1. Sprite 3 will also have the same code. It'll actually be a little bit different. So let's get the sprite 3 and change it to sprite 2. We should also drag hide into here. Blocks. Now we're gonna go to here and let's go broadcast. And we're gonna want to make a new message. Since this is new, I don't have any messages. And let's see, let's make the message name merge. There. Broadcast merge. We'll go in here. When I receive merge, hide. That's why we wanted it to show when the flag is clicked. Actually, we're going to get rid of the show because it's already merged. So let's get rid of that. Clean up blocks. Let's do it in both. So just, when I save merge, hide. Clean up blocks. If you want to see what they look like, then you can do that. Oops, I did not mean to delete sprite 2. That sucks. Well, I'll have to duplicate this guy and fix this up. Don't do what I just did. Oh, that's the wrong one. Sprite 2. Sprite 3. Sprite 1. There we go. So now we've got those ones. And you're going to have a lot of characters in here. Like a lot. If you want to merge a lot. So, let's see. Well, that shouldn't be working like that. Let's stick them in there. So stick them together, and then they merge into one, the next costume. And when you get the Scratch Cat, there will be always 2 costumes. So it'll switch into a running position. Now, it obviously isn't just going to change the costume. It will do that, but it's not going to make it into an animation. We're going to do it so that it'll make it a new costume, like an upgraded version. That's what merging is. So now, I'm just going to delete these because we don't need them. Save this. We're going to need a backdrop here. Let's see. We're also going to need some scrolling. So we're going to need a giant platform here. We gotta make it a color of some sort. So I'm going to get a green grass color. There. I'm going to make a big square. Oops. Did not mean to give an outline. You don't want an outline at first, or you could add an outline of 1. It actually does make it look pretty good. And then you're going to want to rotate it so it looks like a giant island, merging island. And then we're going to need to expand the box itself. That doesn't make sense. Why can't I expand it? Oh, that makes more sense. Okay. So then... Oh, we should have made the box bigger in the first place. That makes more sense. Let's get box big. And I'll make it fit like this. And our screen will... By the way, this isn't mobile friendly on tablets or phones. So this is only for computers. The code. Okay, we got that. Almost. Yeah, we don't need to rotate it. So now we got our backdrop, our merging area. We're gonna actually need the sky now. I don't want to upload a backdrop. Backdrops. We'll actually make this smaller, since we're gonna need to show some of the sky. And then we'll make its size bigger. There will be a way to make your screen bigger and smaller, so you can zoom in. That. Okay, and then let's get a fill ability. I'll make the color of the sky. Let's see. That looks good. What's wrong here? Oh, that makes more sense. We need to make the sky. Okay. Okay. And I'm using drawings. I'm not gonna upload stuff from the internet because I would just be copying another game. Look at that. Nice sky. Okay. So, let's see. When we're gonna get 2 of these when keys clicked. When key Z pressed. When key R pressed. When key R pressed, well, we're actually going to need something to allow our size to be different. So let's create a new one. We're just going to call it dot. Backdrop one will be dot. This will be land. That'll be our land for merging. Dot will just be a simple, tiny black dot. Yeah. Not one, yeah. Let's make a tiny black dot. Actually, hold on. Let's zoom in first. We're going to just zoom in as far as we can. Grab this black. Oh, we're going to set it to 1 actually. 1. And we're going to go. Oh, That's the best I can do. There. In the center. I'll zoom all the way back out so it's barely visible. And that way, the backdrop can get bigger. You can't even see it. That's how tiny it is. Let's get when the flag is clicked. Switch costume to dot. Switch costume to land. So it should turn to land instantly. So dot and then land. Yeah, instantly. It means we can set it to any size we want. Well, that kind of sucks. We actually need to take the costumes away. Let's take those costumes away. Just leave with no backdrop. Way down, no backdrop. And let's also... Okay, let's actually just create a new sprite. Let's call it land. Land. Let's bring in these sprites. Put dot here, land here. Delete that. Look at that. And then we can go here, drag all of the code in. Bring it all here. There. So, in theory, oh, we gotta switch it to switch costume to. Costume to dot, switch costume to land. There. Position this so it will take up the screen. Actually, we might need a backdrop. Let's just get this. There. Let's make this entire thing make that entire backdrop blue. Okay, and by the way, I do know what I'm doing. I experimented first. Okay, when key R pressed, that's wrong one, we gotta get rid of it. Let's go to here, when key, you press R press. Remember, you have to have this land sprite. Okay, yeah. This code, just clean up the blocks. Key Z press, when key R press. So R press, we should, what's the max size we can do? 900? 149. Okay, so when key Z pressed, change size by 1 maybe? I think that should work. See? Yeah. Change size by -1. R. Look at that. We can zoom out. And eventually we'll have an entire area for that, like a giant area. So the max of zooming out is 1. And the max for zooming in is, I think, 149. You can just hold it. Yep, it's 149. I love that. Because zoom it. It's max size so it fits the screen. It's perfect. Perfect. There we go. So we got our land. let's save it. Yeah, save your project. And let's click clean up blocks here. There shouldn't be any blocks here. Okay, now let's go down here and start making our mergeable things. We're gonna need like an introduction too, so let's see. I don't know what we should do our introduction for. Oh, actually, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna make it so that when the flag is clicked, we're going to set the size to 99%. So if we want to zoom in super far and do this, yeah, it would set it to 99%. So that's what we want to do. And please don't copy all my artwork in that. You can make it based on like some, I don't know, you can make it your own like merge gardens, but you'd have to make your own art. You can try it and you can copy the land and that, but I really don't want you copying like my items and characters, please. Okay, so I know you really just want to get to the characters, so let's paint a sprite. Let's call it egg. I'm just gonna call it egg. Oh, no, turtle egg. Perfect. I love the turtle eggs. Okay, so we're gonna make our turtle egg now. Let's make a black turtle egg outline. Oh, that's too small. 10. That's enough. Let's make it a nice turtle egg. And of course, we'll shrink it down. We'll have to actually, before we get into this, let's get these ones in there. Turtle egg. And blocks. Wait, so if we zoom in, car. Now let's get rid of this. Let's just set the size to 10. That's way too small. Let's make it 11 maybe. 90. Too big. Just experiment with your sizes until you like it. Maybe zoom. And then R, reverse. Yeah, but then it just gets bigger, so we'll have to keep it at a small size. Let's make the size 40. Reverse. Oh, so we'll have to get it. We'll have to bring these in. Reverse, zoom, reverse, bring those in. But we're also going to need, when the flag is clicked, hold on, let's take these off for a moment. Zoom in to the size we want it, there. Set size to 10%. Flags. Okay, so let's zoom in, reverse. And of course there will be problems when you zoom out that far. Zoom, Okay. I'm going to make the turtle leg art a little bit better. Oh, zoom first. There. And wait a minute, no. Set size, I think 30 might be a good size. Why not? Let's test it. That looks good. Reverse. Yeah, there's still many problems when you reverse. But still pretty good. Okay. Let's make the art. Let's make our little bit of thing. Looks more like Yoshi's egg or something, but it's a turtle egg. Wait, isn't Yoshi a turtle, or is Yoshi a turtle and a dinosaur? I don't remember. Okay. You won't need these anymore. Changing the size thing. Need that. And then let's make our code we made earlier. Wait until duplicate. Well, let's go to front layer. We're actually going to need to get to go to the no, we don't need this one. Go to front layer is what we need. Go to front layer. There we go. Let's click it. Duplicate. Look at that. You got some nice turtle eggs. Zoom in. But wait, why does that say 10% again? 30%. Just set all of them to 30%. I don't want them that small. Perfect. There. That looks nice. Okay, now we can add the wait until touching thing. Yeah, touching. Turtle leg 2. You don't have to do this way, but this is like the only tutorial on YouTube on how to make a merge game scratch, so try my best. And then we'll go next costume. Broadcast. Merge. Let's get rid of this. Let's get hide. I'll grab a show here. Turtle leg 3, turtle leg. And then let's take off the hide on both of them. And let's get when I receive merge hide. And I save merge hide. Remember to clean up the blocks so they're together. I'm going to save merge hide. Clean up blocks. Clean up blocks. Okay, let's see. Let's have a show there. No, don't put the shows in that I'm doing. It's just for showing you guys. And then we're going to need to make a costume for all of them, a different costume. Oh, I should have done that when I duplicated them. I have to get rid of turtle egg 2 so I can make it easier. Turtle egg. Let's make a new one. Let's make a little turtle. Let's make a little turtle head. There, look at that. We got our nice little turtle. Let's duplicate that. Turtle egg 2. And then let's go to turtle egg. We'll have to put in the costume. Costume 2. My backpack's gonna get full soon. Go to turtle egg 3. Go to the costumes. Turtle egg 3. There. So now, I click start. Let's set that there. But dang it, we'll have to restart it. Why didn't they all go to front layer? Okay, this should... show that I... Where did he go? Go... Hold on. I need to go to... turtle egg.
How?
There we go.
Here.
Nice. Now we can put them there.
Go get it.
Bam! Merges into a turtle. Look at that. Turtle egg 2. What happened to turtle egg 2? Why didn't it switch to next costume?
Oh, sorry, baby.
Oh well. It worked. Go to front layer. Yeah, so now we have this guy forever till we decide to unmerge them, which is impossible right now. I hope you guys enjoyed part 1, and part 2 will be coming soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Also, comment what you think if the comments are on. Bye.